Hey guys, if you guys want to factory reset right here, your iPhone 16 Plus, although it could be an iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, same thing, exact same instructions. So let's get started. So on your iPhone, go into your settings. In your settings, let me just go back here. You guys should see something like so. So just scroll up, you guys are gonna see search, just type in reset. Once you type in reset, you should see this, erase all content, settings, and there we go. So down here below, you should see something like so that says erase all content and settings. So that's down here below your last option. Do not reset. What will this do? It'll get rid of the Apple ID that's in this phone. It will erase everything within it. Pictures, videos, all personal information. Does this delete your pictures or videos that you guys have on your own personal online accounts? No. It only erases from within this phone. So we're gonna go on and erase all content settings. Continue on, erase phone, put in your passcode if you have one. So you should see this Apple logo. It's gonna load up. Just let it be, and then later on, we're gonna see it how it was when it was brand new. So when you first got it and you wanted to set everything up, that's how you guys are gonna see it. So I'm gonna show you how that looks like, but that's up next. Once it restarts, we're gonna see that welcome screen. You guys could set it up again if you guys want to, using your same Apple ID, different one, or just turn it off so you guys can return it if that's why you're doing this, or you guys can go ahead and sell it if, again, that's why you're doing this. I do have a separate video that shows you how to set it up without any personal information, just in case you guys do want to set it up for somebody else and just have it there so they can go ahead and test it out themselves. All right, so if you left your iPhone to be, just press the power key and you should see your welcome. So right now you guys can scroll up, and then you can set it up again with the same Apple ID, different Apple ID, doesn't matter. This is how it looks when it was brand new. But if you're gonna return this, sell it, you could just turn it off. So to force turn it off, shut down, press the power key plus this up here. So this is your volume key up. Press both at the same time until you see this. So just slide and it's fully shut down. And as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.